video marketing campaign. And we follow 4 basic principles, okay? You've got to master production. You've got to master the promotion. You've got to master the progress, and you've got to master the programming. So let's go into those, right? Programming is your content production. This is what you're going to make videos about, and it's how you deliver that content, right? Think of a sitcom. A sitcom like The Office delivers its content in a certain way, right?
Mm-hmm.
It opens, there's like a joke in the beginning, and then you hear the theme song, then there's a commercial, and then they, beginning, middle, end, commercial, climax, that sort of thing. YouTube follows a same structure, right? Like you should have like a hook, you should have a bumper, and you should have the introduction where you say, "Hey, welcome to my channel." So having the titles ready and the structure ready for your individual videos is key. Then you move into production. How are you going to produce these? Who's going to edit them? Are you going to edit them, or is live video more your thing? Then we go into publishing, and this is it's promotion. This includes publishing, but it also includes sharing it on social media. It also includes, where are you going to publish this video?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to repurpose this for Instagram? Are you going to strip out the audio and make it a podcast? I'm getting goosebumps just thinking about it, because we did a live show, me and my good buddy, Nick Nimmin, we did a live show every Wednesday for 2 years on Facebook Live and on YouTube. And that one live video became multiple Instagram snippets, right? 3 minutes or less kind of thing that we put on LinkedIn and everywhere, but also stripped out the audio that became a podcast. And boy, did we explode that year. A lot of really good stuff happening. Now, at the end of the day, you've got to figure out who does what and how many things you're going to go to. At the beginning, I want you to publish on YouTube and maybe repurpose on Instagram. But you have to build into those things. I think a lot of people, they come into this process and they go, "Oh, I'm going to make videos on YouTube, and I'm going to put videos on Facebook, I'm going to put videos on Instagram." That is a heck of a lot of work.
Yeah. And
in a lot of cases, you are going to get zero return from this stuff. Instagram is a scourge. It is a battle for attention, and you'll put that energy into YouTube and you'll grow much, much, much faster. Okay. And then we wrap it up with progress. Okay. And progress is your analytics. It's looking at what worked and what didn't work. And YouTube gives you a whole lot of numbers to measure. So you need to know what numbers you're going to measure in the growth phase, right? And then when to recognize you're in growth, and then what numbers to look at for scalability, right? And those numbers change. It's never a lot, but the biggest mistake I see people making here is not looking at their numbers at all. It's more of like a feel it out. Oh, how do I feel about this content? Or this has always worked at the Chamber of Commerce meeting, so I'm going to try it on YouTube, right? And there's always a bit of discovery that happens on YouTube, but analytics tell us what to quit and what to double down on. My son, who's building a small channel, sent me a picture of his channel stats today, and I see his biggest video is a trampoline video. And so I told him, you need to make more trampoline videos. And why? I said, it's your number one video. And he didn't even think about it, right? Yeah. So you have to kind of get that number one video and then make more of those. How do you do that? Well, come back to the programming, then the production, and the publishing, and then the progress, right? And it's this cycle that fuels itself. And if you can master those 4 workflows, you'll do extremely well on YouTube.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.